Okay, so today we are out fishing Shingle Creek. We just rented a kayak from the paddle center, which you can do, they do in 2-hour increments. Tandem kayak, I think, is $36. I think for a single it's $18. So it's actually not that bad. Preston's with me today. Water's nice and cool.
Yeah.
It's actually nice out today. It's not super humid. We're going to do a little bit of exploring. And see if we can't catch some bass. Yeah, you don't want to eat those.
Why?
Probably poisonous.
Yeah, they're poisonous. Red berries you can't eat.
Some of them you can. Strawberries are red.
Huh?
So are raspberries.
Nothing but 4 birds. I'm going to put them on my list.
Here we go, Preston.
What?
Right here. Hang on, bud. What? Yeah, it's a bass.
Yay!
Look at that. Here we go.
Take that camera.
The camera's on. For this little guy, I figured he'd come right off those trees there.
Yeah.
All right, bud. Off you go.
He's still there. Wait.
He's gone.
Yeah, he's gone. Am I going pretty fast?
You're doing a good job. What does this say? Shingle Creek, recreational park, daily use area only.
Really?
No, we got all this we can explore.
Why do I think it's really far? Is it really hot?
The baby gators, Preston. Right there. You see them?
Baby gators?
Yeah. They're all, you can barely see them. They're right there on the edge. There's a bunch of them. Get out of here.
Why?
Because that means mama gator's here. You can barely see them. They look like the ground. They're up there in the corner there. There's a whole bunch of them. They don't eat people.
Yeah?
Not on purpose, they don't.
They eat.
They do, but they don't eat people on purpose. Usually it's because people are in their home and they're angry.
Why?
They're territorial. It's like when Pierce goes into your room and you don't want him there. Oh, I missed a good one, Preston. That sucks. All right, let's try this again. He grabbed it and he spit it.
Why?
Oh, I was messing with a kayak paddle. He took the worm. There's a gator right there, Preston.
Where?
Right there. See his head poking above the water? It's right there. Look at the grass. You see the little black thing? That's his head. You see him?
Yeah.
Alright.
Don't go over there.
We're not going to go over there. We'll just keep going our way here, and he'll stay there. He doesn't want to bother us. We don't want to bother him. But might be a mama. She might have a nest right. See, she just blinked. She blinked. See her right there?
Yeah, I see her.
Alright, well, we're going to go this way. Stay away from her. Okay?
I see her.
Cypress forest, here we are.
What did you get?
I don't know. It's a good fish. Oh, it's a gar.
What is gar? Do they have teeth?
Yeah. Alright. I gotta release the drag a bit. He's stuck.
That's the biggest fish I ever seen you caught.
Alright, Preston, can you park us right there by this tree? I'm gonna try to get this guy off the hook. Oh, he's off.
Huh?
Good. He's off. We're good. That was a big gar. Okay. There's a little guy. Oh, he's off. No, he's just a little dude.
Give me dig for him?
No, you don't need to dig for him.
Oh, I just found something dumb.
It's probably roots for that tree.
And that's him. He ran off with a drumstick. Get off of land again.
There's a better one, Preston.
Where?
Right here. Just find him in here. That's a good fish. Oh.
Does he have teeth?
Nope. Here.
Maybe fish.
Oh.
What?
Here we go. I'm all soaking wet. He splashed me. All right, push this out.
What's this?
Look at that. He's a football.
He's football?
Chunky. Yeah, look, he's football shaped. He's fat. See? All right, we're gonna put him back.
He's stuck.
He's good. This is see all these roots and stuff, Press?
Mm-hmm.
It's these are cypress trees.
Cypress trees.
Cypress.
Oh,
Oh, did you see that fish jump right there?
it gets deeper too. It's off of the.
I got another one, Press. Oh, he came off. He came off.
Oh, sorry, I did that.
It's okay.
I pushed off of that.
I think it was that little one that jumped. I don't think he's very big. I don't even know if he was hooked.
Is it deep here?
Yeah. Don't lose your paddle. Oh, it's a good one, Press.
Sorry, Dad.
It's okay. It's okay. You keep doing you. You keep doing you. Ah, never mind. It's just a little dude.
I like that guy.
I'm gonna try to get him here.
Him.
I'm trying. He's fighting hard. He might come off here.
Okay.
No, I got him.
Looking back. Oh my.
Watch. 'Cause if we hit something, I don't want you to fall off. Okay. He's pretty. Alright.
Bye
He
bye.
goes.
There he is.
Okay.
I'm gonna get away from that giant spider. Why do you want to get right next to that arrow?
Because this is the cypress forest, I think. Yeah, look at this. Alright, hang on. It's like a swamp. Oh, he ate my worm.
Where is he?
He's gone.
Dad, do you see that?
These baby gators? You see him? See him moving?
Yeah. Dad, move. Get out of the way.
You see him there right on the edge? They got the yellow stripes on him?
Yeah. Okay, get out.
Yeah, they're still there. It means Mama's not too far away. Although, they might be... She may not be with him anymore. She's probably over there on the other side, or in those weeds. So we'll keep going. See the turtles?
Aww. Those are actually babies.
No, those aren't babies. They're full size. But those are turtles. Sunbathing. Look, they got their feet up. Trying to dry the feet off. Dragonflies, they aren't going to bother you.
Where's his daddy at?
Look at that. Knew there's going to be one off that tree. Preston, can you park the boat?
Huh?
Park it? Yep.
Where's your
I got to get this bass in here. Oops, hang on, bud. A little bugger got hooked himself, but we got it out. Minimal blood. He's fat.
Let me see. Is
Yeah?
it blood?
No, he's okay. He's fat
let me
though.
see his blood.
He's fine. All right. Bye. Yeah, he'll be fine.
Go.
All right, as we work our way out of here, so pretty decent day fishing. You know, we're only out for about an hour and a half. The kayak rentals at the paddle center go by every 2 hours minimum, and then hours after that. So what I found is working, and what the guides have recommended, or the paddle center people, is the cypress forest areas are the best. Obviously, that's where I caught most of the fish. Anywhere I saw a cypress tree or a tree actually in the water where there's roots and stuff, that seems to be very productive as well. I think those are probably the areas you want to target if you're out here paddling on the southern side here. And I know there's a cypress forest up on the northern side as well, and those are probably the best places to target. So we're going to try to make our way back here, and I got to get to grading some projects, so we're going to make our way back. I'm going to hit a few spots on the way back up. If I catch anything else, it'll be in the video. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.